this is the makeup look that I always go for, how I prep my skin and how I do my makeup. I'm so ready to show you my makeup routine. It's a tone up cream, and the way to apply this is just shaking it like that. They have two tones, they have white and ivory. I will just blend it with my fingers. Don't be afraid of the color. It's going to look pretty nice, so we can say that this can be my foundation. I'm gonna actually get a little sponge and just tap it. These are the latex sponges from Olivion. You can find them also on YesStyle if I'm not wrong. And the skin looks really glowy, and also it's protected from the sun at the same time. We have the base of my face. Now I'm gonna be using the concealer. I just bought this one from Judy Doll, and this is in the shade 00 or 00. It's the most clear shade that they have. Really little, it's enough. And this is my huge concern, mostly around my mouth. I don't know why, but I feel like this area is super dehydrated for me. These are some of my sponges that I use always daily. I do have to clean them though. I love this one from Momo's Workshop. It's really tiny, really thin. It's my first time trying this concealer, but I feel it's gonna be really good. Oh wow, yeah. I can really feel that it's gonna be super good. It's not too hydrating, but it's not drying, and I love that so much. And it's enough with that. Oh my god, that is so good. And the shade is perfect. And also it has a really strong coverage. That's so great. I'm not going to add any more concealer or any foundation or anything. It's done. So now I'm gonna use a little bit of bronzer because I don't want to look like a ghost. I love this bronzer. I bought it like a month ago. It's so good because it doesn't look orange. I really like it. This is the shade Golden Sun. So good and creamy. So I'm not gonna be adding a lot, just a little bit. So you can already see, like, it's not giving orange, it's just giving golden, bronzy, but without being too strong. And I'm gonna just apply it in all these areas to give some dimension and mostly to give some color to my face. Really slightly, like you can barely notice. With my same sponge case, I'm gonna grab this one. This is also from Momo's Workshop, and I'm gonna be using the No Sebum Mineral Pack from Innisfree. This is a really popular one in some little areas, not in my whole face, because otherwise I will look dry and it will be so uncomfortable for me. And I just tap it on my hand, and I just go under my eye one time, the other side too. Always doing the same thing so I don't over powder my face. And on my chin, and also my forehead a little bit. I will not add more than that. And now my favorite part is my eyes. So same sponge that I used before, I will just remove the lines, the powder, and we are more than done. Also my eyebrows, of course. This is how it looks up close. Not patchy, not dry. So these are brow pencils. I use that to contouring my lips and my nose. I always do the same. It's really important for me because I have thin lips. Like that, and then my nose too. This way and here. I'm gonna go right away with my eyebrows. I bought this one the other day also. I usually don't do my eyebrows. If I do them, I use these two products to make them a little lighter. They are brow tints if you can call it that way. And I'm gonna just brush it a little bit like that. Anyway, and since I bought this the other day, I'm gonna try like how it works. So this is really thin. I don't know if you can see it. So I can draw my front hairs because I do not have, yeah, we call that the 2000 problem. Wow. Oh my god, that's so good and super thin. I've learned a lot of makeup tricks from Chinese beauty bloggers. It is insane how perfectionist they are and how many good tips they do have. And I'm gonna blend this thing, and for that I'm gonna be using this Roman nose contour brush, and I'm gonna blend it because it's quite strong, so it removes well the product, but blending it well, it is perfect. And I always use this one. Oh my god, can you see already the shadow on my lips? This is how I make my lips look plump. So good. I love this brush so much. Now I will use this palette. This one is from Clio. This is the Pro Eye Palette Air. This is in the shade 0 O Latte, and I'm gonna be using this shade. It's the shade Nude Balance. It's really nice to just add more powder on my eye and make it more nude but without color. I don't want to have much color on my eyes because otherwise they will look too heavy, and I don't want that. So I like to use a really clear color so I can have a completely clear canvas. Maybe you cannot see the difference, but it's really beautiful because it cancels any kind of darkness or color on my eyelid, and that's actually what I want and what I like. I will be using this color. This is the one, it's called Chai Silence, just for the corner of my eyes like that, and going up. Really pretty and soft, just to have a little of dimension like that. It's so pretty, and I love this kind of rosy browny shade. Upwards and just blending it without going much inside. This is a really good palette that I recommend you to have the basics. This is a highlighter from Cezanne. Cezanne, I think it's called. It's a Japanese brand. I love this one so much. I already made a video about it. This is in the shade 04. So I just, with the same brush that comes with it, just use it directly for my eyes, just in the center of my eyes like that. It is so pretty. Oh my god, it's just the best. It's the most beautiful shimmer that you can have, and it's so soft. The other side as well. It is like, it's just the perfect amount of glow and light that you can give to your eyes. I can add a little bit on the tip of my nose. Can you see the glow, the shine? It is so beautiful. A little bit here as well. This is one of my favorite highlighters, and I use it for everything. A little bit also of this product. This is from a Japanese brand as well. This is from Can Make. I use this color. This is the champagne one, and with the same brush that it comes with, just grab a little bit, and here I will just give some extra light, just like that. These are really tiny details, but they make a huge difference, at least for me. These are how my eyes are looking right now, and I'm gonna quite leave them like that. I don't like to use mascara, so I use lash serum most of the times. And also I have my I have my lashes lift, so it's perfect to give them nutrients. Okay, the last thing. highlight. So I'm gonna be using the theme waterproof mascara. This is in the shade brown, and I will use in my lower lashes, just in the center, like that, so it can open my eyes here as well. One of the best mascaras, honestly. This brand is so underrated. Also the Alicia Easy Glide Flat Eyeliner in the shade 02 Mood Brown. This is pretty nice eyeliner, and the shade is a little bit strong, but it's alright. I will just use it under my lashes, like that, just in the corner. I will not use it in all my eyes, so my lashes will look more full. I think I will just do a little eyeliner with the same corner. And with a brush, I'm gonna just slide it up so it's a little bit longer, and also blend it at the same time so it's not too harsh. The next step is gonna be the blush, my favorite part. I don't have a blush that I use daily. I feel like I'm gonna be using Dear Dahlia this time. Yeah, this is in the shade Rosy. They sent them to me before. It is a skincare like blush, so good, so pretty. And I'm gonna add it on the top of my hand. Always, I don't put it directly on my face because it's gonna be too overwhelming. Just tap it and blend it and apply it all over the brush. The color is so pretty, right? It is so good. So just like that, and I'll apply it the center of my face. As you can see, a little bit goes a long way, so we have enough with that amount. Imagine if I apply directly on my skin, it's gonna be too much pigmented. Pretty, the color, it's a beautiful rosy pink. Add a little bit more for my nose and my chin as well. I always add it on my chin, always on my chin. A little bit on the forehead if I feel like it, just to unify the colors so they don't look like too different from the rest of my face. Today I want to try this new product that I also bought together. It's also from a Chinese brand. This is Out of Office. This is a really popular one in Xiaohongshu, and it's so cool because this is a lip liner together with the lipstick. It's a really beautiful pink coral, and it's matte, so I'm gonna be adding this right now, and I'm gonna try because I didn't try it. It's gonna be my first time, and I'm really excited. It's gonna be so pretty. I knew it. Oh my god. What? This is the other part. This is supposed to be the lipstick, so let's... Oh my god, that's so pretty. Oh wow, it is so creamy. Like, what? It is so moisturizing. I thought it would be like more like matte. I really like it, and I don't feel I need to add any gloss or something, so it's pretty nice. Also, this Judy Doll palette. This is supposed to be a highlight palette, and the new shades, and I wanted to try this so much. It's supposed to be like a little bit like brightening with the sponge also. I am so scared. Okay, and here too. Oh wow, really soft. There is not much that I'm doing, I know, but it's really enough. Oh wow, to give some light. It's Judy Doll Highlight and Contour number 04. This is my finished look. This is supposed to be what I always do for my daily makeup routine, and my skin looks really good. And I am convinced that I actually mastered, and I arrived to find all the products and tools that work perfectly for my skin type and my face and the shades and the colors because I know my undertone, my season, and my skin type. That's a really important thing. And always, always prep your skin and wear sunscreen. So I hope you like it. Bye bye.